Okay, good morning children. Shall continue with the chapter 6 circle. Now we have two type of constructions over here, that is constructing incircle and circumcircle. Remember, you have done it in 7th standard. Incircle and circumcircle. Incircle is a circle that touches all the sides of a triangle. So it will be inside the triangle. And to construct that, we have to draw the angle bisectors. So the angle bisectors of a triangle gives us incircle. And incircle touches all the sides of the triangle. Okay. And the center of it is known as the incenter. So let us see how to construct it. We have to draw the angle bisectors. And suppose all of you know how to draw the angle bisectors. We draw the arcs. Get that intersecting point. We join that. Let my triangle be A, B, C. Okay. Now you draw the angle bisector for one more angle. I'm considering C. Now, any two angles and bisectors enough to get the center point. That this point that you get over here is known as the incenter, that is denoted by capital I. It is incenter and this has to be denoted by capital I. Okay. Now, you have to draw the circle with incenter, and the circle will be touching all three sides of the triangle. So you first see whether it is touching, then only you go for try it, otherwise there will be some mistake in your construction. So you can see that it is touching. Can see that the circle inside. So the circle which is touching all three sides of a triangle is known as an incircle, and the center of it is known as an incenter. Angle bisectors gives us incircle and angle bisectors give us incenter. How do we construct? First you draw any triangle and then you draw the angle bisectors of any two angles. Whichever is the point of intersection, that will be the incenter. With that center, you draw a circle which is touching all three sides of the triangle. Okay, this is how we draw the incircle and we get the incenter. Now, you also have to try, this is an acute angle triangle. You also have to try obtuse angle triangle and right angle triangle and see how do you get it. Where do the incenter lies? Okay. So take your practice set 6.2. Sorry, practice set 6.3. Please take your practice set 6.3. In practice set 6.3, you have question number 1, question number 3, and these are for incircle. So practice that You pause the video over here, practice that, then only you go for the next part of it. Okay. Now we shall see how to construct a circumcircle. Circumcircle touches all the vertices of the triangle. Encircle touches all the sides. Circumcircle touches all the vertices. And for that we have to draw perpendicular bisectors of the side. For circumcircle we have to draw the perpendicular bisectors. Okay. All of you know how to draw the perpendicular bisectors. I name this triangle as ABC. Okay. And let us draw the perpendicular bisectors. This is perpendicular bisector. Now we shall try for the other side. Join the intersecting points. You can see that this is again perpendicular bisector. You can see that both the perpendicular bisectors are intersecting at this point. Okay. You can draw for all three sides, but two are sufficient to get a circumcircle. You can see that. Now, this center, this is the center of a circumcircle. Therefore, we write it or denote as capital C. In circle center, we denoted as capital I. That is in center. Circumcircle, circumcenter, and we denote it as capital C. Now, keeping that as a center, we have to draw the circle. So, make sure before drawing the circle that it is touching all three vertices. Can you see that? This is known as a circumcircle, where the circle is touching all three vertices, and this is known as an incircle, where the circle is touching all three sides of the triangle. This is a circumcircle and this is a incircle. Center of incircle is known as incenter. Center of circumcircle is known as circumcenter. What gives us circumcircle? Perpendicular bisectors. And what gives us incircle? Angle bisectors. Please remember. Okay. Now, you have to also find out where the circumcenter lies of an acute angle triangle, right angle triangle, and also the obtuse angle triangle. So, take the practices 6.3. The remaining 3 questions over there for circumcircle. Please complete that. Okay. Take page number 85. Page number 85, you have there. Remember this. It is given to you. Remember this. Please learn that. So we stop over here. Please complete your homework with that. I want you to try the circumcircle and incircle for one obtuse and also right angle triangles. Okay.